Hello guys, welcome to KO Tutorials. So here I'm coming up with the final part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have generated some light passes over here. I have already rendered some light passes. Let's composite it in Photoshop. So let's go into File, Open. Let's open those passes over here. So I have generated diffuse, ambient occlusion, global illumination, lighting, reflection, shadow, specular and Z depth. So let's just open all of this passes over here. So let's open it one by one, all this passes over here. So very first of all, what we'll be doing over here is let's take a diffuse pass. So the very first we are going with the diffuse, and I'll go with the ambient occlusion. Definitely it's a bit noisy. Let's go with this. And let's give a screen, or you can go with multiply also. I'll go with the reflection pass. Let's take a reflection pass over here. And you can rename those passes over here. You can just rename it. So let's change the blending mode. So we can go with any of it. So let's again go on to the top. You can go with the screen mode over here. And if you feel there's a lot of reflection, we can slightly reduce its reflections, or you can give a reflection. After that, we have GI. Let's take a GI pass. So you can take a GI pass over here. I can also go with check out all the blending modes properly. And go with the GI, much better. After that, we'll be going with the lighting pass. Let's change the blending mode. Looks much better. So I can go with any of it. This also looks good. But the darker color, you need to showcase that the lights are proper. So I can just off this GI screen, overlay soft light is much better, and GI I'll shuffle it up. I'll go into this. Okay. After that, your specular. Your specular pass. Much better. Okay. After that, you have your Z depth. Make sure it's not looking much more flatter. You should give a proper occlusion pass. So if your occlusion pass is perfect, it will definitely going to give you a bit of depth. See this. So this is what we require over here. That's your occlusion pass. So definitely I'm just applying this occlusion pass. I have set it to overlay, much better. Your light pass. Okay, this looks much better. That's your light pass. Just rename it. Your GI. You can see this GI. So GI, you can just try to change that. Okay, I think lighten is much better. After that, okay, I think this looks much better. After that, we can just assign some photo filter over here. Assign some cooling filters if required. Let's go into this and give some hue saturation. We'll go with the colorize option over here. Some color balancing of it. Some brightness contrast. And contrast. And some exposure. Much better. Okay. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So thanks for watching this tutorial.